was honored. So all of you put your hands together and a big hearty applause to our champion Emmanuel Mensah from Ghana to pass.
Congratulations.
Congratulations, Emmanuel.
Congratulations.
A big congratulations, bro.
Very happy for you.
Congrats.
Congratulations.
Congratulations.
All right. Now I will block all the microphones and only you. Where are you, Mensah? Emmanuel. Emmanuel, where are you? Put your
I'm
mic
here.
on.
I'm here.
Oh, hold on. Where I have to find you in the first screen. Hold on, because you're in the wrong room. Because there are. Speak to me again. There you are.
Here. I'm here.
All right. Okay. So we can remain here. Emmanuel Mensah, tell me, how are you feeling?
Well, I'm feeling great. I'm feeling so happy. It's like a dream, you know. And I want someone to wake me up because I I believe it's not real because this is a dream come true, and I can't believe I have a Foliosa now, and soon I'll be having my patente. It's been it's been a tough journey, and because I had to be serious, you know, with the SCADA. I stopped doing a whole lot, and I had to dedicate my time, you know, sacrifice everything for the SCADA and also for the classes. And I think that has given me the results I'm having today. And I'm so happy. If you want to pass very easy, you need to dedicate your time, your everything. It has to be your life. Till you pass, don't stop. The patente has to be your life. So you get your Foliosa. It has to be your life till you get it. And that was what I did. And it has really helped me. And now I have my Foliosa. Thank you so much. Thank you so much.
Most welcome. Emmanuel, before meeting me, you were trying for several times the years with the Italian schools, and then you came to join the class. Now, you don't need to tell the whole journey how it was in the beginning, where you probably didn't understand. But just tell them what last night when we did SCADA together, and I prepared you, and this morning at 6 o'clock, and the things I told you, which will not repeat here because it's something I need to tell them with my own voice. All this I had to help you. Did it make a difference, or was it? When you
it was a special thing you really did for me because on Friday there were so many things going on in my mind, you know, how I need to psych myself for the exams, you know. So on Saturday, and the Sunday, we had the quiz, and it really helped me, and it really gave me the courage that no, I'll be able to do it. Before I had the inspiration that yes, I'll do it. I'll be able to do it. But I was still doubting one or two. But when you gave me, or when we did the quiz, that gave me the 100% assurance that no, I'll be able to do it. And yes, today I've done it, and it was easy. You know, the SCADA was so easy, and I was so shocked.
Perfect. I'm very happy. Now, when you can share this SCADA with us, probably I can share with the class. I'm very, very happy. I wish you all the best. Now, tell your friends about us. And remember, though I've delivered what I promised, I'll make you pass, right? I told you, and I said, here is my word delivered to you. But I didn't promise you for your practical license. No? But still, 4 days before your exams, give me a call. I'll give you all the information, everything you need to know to pass for the first try. Okay, I wish you all the best. Thank you very much, Emmanuel. You made us very, very proud.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much.
God bless
you. Thank you.
Now, all of you, put your mics on again. We have Eviano. She's got the driving license. She's going to drive now.
Congratulations.
Okay, we'll block the microphone again. Eviano, just 1 second. Put your mic off. Eviano, where are you? Put your mic on. Eviano?
Yeah, I'm here. Good evening, sir. Good evening, everybody. Thank you all. Still in shock, you know. I did my exam today and I passed. Why I said I'm still in shock is because my instructor was telling me that, I should just go and come back next year. I will not be able to pass today. It was giving me a lot of pressure. But I always remember what Mr. Ambrish says. it will tell us that if fear will kill you, it says it, that fear will kill you. So I decided to suppress all the negative things the instructor was telling me. I put it behind me and I just face it. All thanks to Mr. Ambrish. Honestly, I don't know how to say thank you, because you have inspired me to believe in myself and not to give up. I'm grateful to you. I want to especially thank you for your hard work, your dedication, and also your passion. And you have a lot of passion for this thing that you are doing. Thank you so much. Thank you. I appreciate you, sir. Thank you.
Very good. Thank you, Eviano. Show us your license. All that you worked out. Bring it
I left it in my bag. I can go and get it in my bag.
Okay, doesn't matter. No, we saw the picture. All right, Eviano. Now you must tell all your friends. Okay, tell all your friends and get them all here. Okay.
Okay, I will. Thank you.
All the best. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
All right, and let's